I got what you need.
What you need?
What color you want?
What color you want?
I got what you need.
What you need?
What color you want? I'm your host, Gab. I'm the one they call the Angry Chef, even though I still do not understand why they call me angry. Can I get some more Hennessy? Somebody, please.
And I've got flat weight, bro.
Okay, well, let me get. I mean, first of all I want is Hennessy. Could at least have some Dulce, some Remy, something like that. You had none of that you. Anyway, I'm here to help you and teach you how to cook. Not just learn how to cook with cannabis. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Tell your mom about it. Tell your best friend about it. Tell your school teacher about it. Tell everybody about it so everybody can watch. Tune in. Today, we're gonna do some sliders, but we're gonna use a CBD aioli sauce on these sliders, all right? Get your pen, pad, lock in, pay attention, and let's go. All right, let's go over what it's gonna take to make this happen. You're gonna need 2 pounds of whatever protein you choose to make. We're choosing some organic beef right here. Pepper jack cheese, all right? Arugula lettuce, garlic cloves. You got your mango slices. You got your eggs. You gotta have a tomato too. You're gonna need this. What's this again? Shallots. It looked like a onion to me, I don't know. And then this green, this is dill. Some chili powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, sweet relish, Heinz. You got some mayo, carrots, the Hawaiian sweet rolls, can of hemp, Euphoria elixir. This is the CBD that we are going to infuse into our food. I'll teach you how to do that properly. You're gonna take your 2 pounds of protein, put it in this big ass bowl. We're gonna get this ready. We're gonna take 1 egg. We're gonna crack that egg up in there. Maybe 1 more. We got the salt and pepper. We're gonna drop that in there. Take a garlic clove. We're gonna put in this little mincer. Is this what it's supposed to do? I feel like it's supposed to do more than this. How's it not coming out? Come on, come. Remember, do what I say, not as I do. Right now we're gonna get in. We're gonna dig in. Put our hands in this small, and we're gonna stir this all the way around. We're getting all the protein together, mixed up with the egg, the salt, the pepper. Form some small slider patties, all right? Small little balls, you form them up in your hand, you know. It's how to make some aioli. Do as I say, not as I do. All right, first we got this bowl. We're gonna take some mayo, 3 tablespoons. We're gonna throw a little pepper in there, about a dash or 2. Let's get some of this can of hemp, Euphoria, 10 milligrams per serving. 1 drop is 10 milligrams, 1 full drop, 10 milligrams. The relish, you want to do 1 tablespoon, boom. There you go. That's what I call a 1 tablespoon. We're gonna take the garlic. You're gonna need some lemon juice, 2 drops, and you're gonna need some cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, you're just going, oh, I got a brand new one. Silly me, not silly me, silly goddamn production team. Really? Who the hired y'all? Now I'm about to be angry. What the is this? You know what, we just gonna pour a little bit up in this small boom, that's enough. The aioli, stir it in, okay? Again, it's for that flick of the wrist. Come in handy. Spicy CBD aioli. It's here, it's ready. Now it's time to take care of the meat. We're gonna put these burgers, these little patties that we made, into the pan. Chef Gab with the pot. I am the man. You know how I know? Because tells me every night we get these cheese slices to be perfect sizes for the sliders. And we got 5. We put the burgers on the buns. It's time to dress it up. Put the condiments, the necessary things will go with it. Boom, voila, there you go. There you have it. You got your sliders. It's plated, as they say, whatever. I'm gonna have one. You should join me. My bad, I just want to tell y'all it was good. My bad. This is subscribe, like, comment, share. Tell your pastor about it. Oh, man. Oh. Tune in next week to the Angry Chef. Well, I don't know what I'm going to be cooking, but hey, we know one thing. I'm going to be cooking. I got what you need.